What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Monkey VR here. So today we're gonna be playing Monkey VR here. Monkey VR here, and yeah, today we're gonna be playing Monkey Labs.
Monkey Labs
With Splash VR.
with Monkey VR. All right, go chew up.
Guys, I am finally back in making videos for you guys. So yeah, let's go.
Oh, shoot! There's a new one.
So this game have now. Oh, behind! Dude! Bro, you guys saw? Okay, it's not really scary. It is not really scary. It's just a black spider.
That was fast.
Bro, we have to go back.
All right, let's go. Go.
Oh my god! Oh! Okay. Oh my god. I scream so fucking loud. Step back. Oh! I can't!
I made it.
No, I don't.
Come on.
Let's do this.
Oh,
Okay, level 3, boys.
level 3.
Okay, let's go back.
Wait, what do you think?
Let's go to Only Up, the new update.
What?
I die. Bruh. Okay, bro. Okay, let's go to. Oh, I think I saw him. Okay, the code is B. Okay, the code is B, guys. So this is PvP mode, bro. Let me take the shotgun. Bro, have a long time I'm gonna play this. Wait, let's start. Wait. Are you, bro? I see. Okay, in 1, 2, 3, we start to run. Go, 2, 3, go. Woo! No! I click and go back. I click and go. Bro, I click and go back. Okay, let me join you. Oh, bitch ass, okay. Okay, let's go. Oh no, bro, I'm coming back. Where are you? Where are you? Right here. Oh, copião. Pegou a mesma arma que eu. Bro, just because I take the shotgun, he take the same thing. Bro, this child, he literally just see I'm taking the shotgun and then he do the same. like our problem. Bro, only one shot? Oh my god. Damn it! One more shot.
I'm at 100.
Woo!
Oh.
Oh my god.
No. I'm almost dying. I can't.
Yeah, oh my god. Bro, this is so, bro. It's not for kids. Okay. Oh, loser.
Woo.
Oh! Okay, let's go to the another. Okay, let's go to the another mode. Bro, man. Vai no only up. Aí você vai. Okay, this idiot. He tried to kill me. Okay, let me tell him. No, so damn ass only up. Okay, yep, guys. Like, I love seeing playing that almost broke his computer. Okay, so okay, this damn ass we will join in some minutes.
Alright, I'm here.
Okay, just 1 minute, bro. Okay, let's go. Let's see, guys, how good we are. Okay, ito na finish. Okay, I am in the front. Now he's on the front because I fall. Bro, get out! Come on, go up! Mano, eu consigo te encostar, ou seja, você não sai da minha frente, eu vou acabar caindo. I just fall. Oh, fuck. I just fall.
Yes.
Bro, where's this kid at?
No.
Hey, bye. Okay, that was funny. No. No. Okay, so guys, I'm in the front because. Okay, so guys, I'm in the front because. Idiot. The thing's not really good for you, bro. God. Bro, and I want to be touching that. This is LGBTQ. Luffy? God. Oh my god. Why am I so good at this game? Guys, someone can tell me why I'm so good at this game. Look at this, guys. I need a... Let's see. Bro, guys, if you're watching this and like I'm not showing you a lot of my friend POV and fuck no bro, I fought everything. on. Bro, how do you have more subscribers than me?
What do you?
Like, you just post videos of Gorilla Tag. Like, what is fun on this?
I do not.
I don't know, I don't know why you guys, what is funny in his videos. I watch all his videos, and all his videos is just his playing Gorilla Tag, and like he have more subscribers than me. So please subscribe.
It's like I don't understand Gorilla Tag,
Okay.
nor is it that cool. And even so, I have few subscribers,
I don't
but
know,
5
I don't know what
subscribers
is
makes
funny
me
in
happy.
Gorilla Tag. Like, it's just.
But if I get
like,
more
it's just a game
subscribers,
where you're a monkey,
you'll make me
you have-
even happier, so
and-
please,
and
if you're
you
watching
have
this,
legs, and, like,
subscribe because it took a
you
while
just
to
tag
edit this
other
video.
monkeys. Like, what is this funny?
Subscribe to channels that also work hard to edit their videos,
I don't know
as
what-
this
like,
also
it's not
helps
really
them
funny.
and makes them happy.
Okay, so yeah, let's go. Like, I see a lot of people. Guys, look at this video.
Look at this video, look at how many views this video has basically. This video has the same number of subscribers as my friend has.
Look at this video.
A lot of
How
people
many
watch my
people
videos, but they
watch
don't
this video?
subscribe.
Are you guys seeing
So
this?
if you are
This
watching
video?
this
So,
video,
how
please
many people
subscribe.
watch this video?
It will
Like,
help me a
of
lot.
people watch this video and like they don't subscribe. Like in my video. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Bro, did he leave the server? Mano, você saiu do servidor. Mano,